Where you are is what you're choosing. The moment that you become an adult, that's the power you have. You have a choice.
I mean, the standard of your life is what you settle for it.
Exactly.
We all go through rough things and everybody's a victim of something.
Yeah.
But you cannot keep being a victim. You can't keep choosing to be the victim.
Yeah.
Ikaw na din pumipigil sa sarili mo if you
Yeah.
keep that in your narrative. If you keep repeating that narrative in your mind, hanggang dun ka lang talaga.
Yes, exactly. And there was this talk that I did last Sunday and sabi ko, you can be hurt but still be responsible for how you heal. Kasi diba, there's a thin line yun yung parang, victim blaming ka naman, coach. No, I'm validating your pain. Tangina, they don't deserve that.
Yes.
Gago lahat ng gumawa sa'yo yan. Utang ina nilang lahat. Diba? Everyone who took advantage of you, everyone who betrayed you, everyone who made your life shitty. But you are responsible for today.